Hey YouTubers, it's Tao Trades again. Here's another market update and an update on my portfolio. Today was a kind of a choppy day for me. We can take a look at the NASDAQ here. It's still above the uptrend line here on the 10 SMA. And like I was saying yesterday, I was targeting 325, 330 area as the spot where we're going to pull back, mainly at the gap fill here at the 330. I'm seeing a lot of supply in this zone here. I didn't think we are gonna even hit that spot and drop back so hard today. That kind of took me out of a lot of my calls, so I sold most and I will have to reset here. But yeah, I mean, the index is performing as I was expecting it to be. Getting into the 325, 330 zone will get more resistance here. I think tomorrow's Fed meeting kind of give us an indication of whether we're going to hit that zone or even bounce back earlier than I expected and hit back at the 10 SMA. But we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day, another opportunity. So I had that in the money call option on abnb, and with the market looking weak in the morning, and then Airbnb was hitting that resistance up here on that top here, almost like a triple top here on the daily. I went ahead and sold out those calls here. I believe I got a okay deal on it. I believe when I saw it, notice that triple top there at the top here, it fell back down. I gave it some time around here to see if it could recover around the 210, 212 area. When I saw it broke down that line here around that 28 area is when I sold. I went ahead and sold that call option, took my profits for that. Apps, similar deal here. Let me see if I can pull up apps here. And apps, similar deal here. Let me take a look at the daily. It's inside day yesterday, and like I said, I was looking for a break above into the 90 region. When I saw that it broke my 20 and 10 SMA, getting close to it, not actually break it, but fall out of range on the inside day was when I started to get a little bit more worried. I can see it right here. I'll tell you where I sold here, around this area. When it broke down and hit this and bounced back up here, this is the spot I sold. I wasn't liking that weakness there, especially with the NASDAQ going up in the morning, but this wasn't showing much strength, so I went ahead and sold that as well. I also sold my Penn. Similar, the strength wasn't there. I sold it in that area as well for a loss. But then I did pick up lrcx as it was showing a good amount of strength, and pick some right here on lrcx. Went up a little bit, and then it kind of sideways on me and chopped up all my premium. I did hold it, still chopping me. I'm down on it. I didn't enter too much in that, so I held on that. Went to BlackBerry. I like BlackBerry for a long-term trade. It's setting up here. You can see MACD curling up. It's above the trend lines. Daily, I thought it was gonna about to, or the 5-minute chart. When it went up here, I thought it was gonna try to break that 12. I added my position right around this area, hoping that'll break up, but it didn't. My call option is just 2 weeks out. Yeah, I added the March 26 calls to coincide also with earnings call. So yeah, if it did hold this, I might go ahead and add to it. Yeah, if it holds this line here, I might go ahead and add to that as well. The other stock I'm targeting is actually LC. This is a big breakout for LC Lending Club. They just acquired Radius Bank, and then ARK Invest, Kathy Wood's ARK Invest fund has been purchasing a lot of shares in this company. Big potential. I think I might add to it here if it can dip a little bit for me. Looking for a dip here around 16, 17 area. unless it kind of flatlines or has more momentum, I might go ahead and just add a small position to just get into the trade because the momentum is pretty good right now. Especially if it can get back up to that 19 range and break it, then I might go ahead and add there as well. So here's my portfolio at the end of the day. I'm just holding BlackBerry and Lamb Research left. We've got a good amount of cash